Okay. Hey, guess what time it is? It's time for something new. What's this? You want to try it? Is that interesting? This?
Is this the baby's first meal? First non-milk meal?
Yeah, it's okay. You can play with it. It's yours. Okay, feed yourself. You see? You silly girl. Here, turn off Mama's finger. Some of the late mommy said that helps.